Hello students, welcome to maths class. Last class we have been completed up to the question number 7 in the exercise 3.3. So today I am going to discuss from the 8th question, and the question is, here he has given that the matrix A, and we need to verify A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix and as well as A minus A dash is a skew symmetric matrix. So let's start the solution. So first we need to prove that A plus A dash is symmetric. So let P is equals to A plus A dash. So if I prove P is a symmetric, obviously A plus A dash is also symmetric matrix. So therefore P is equals to matrix A is given by 1 5 6 7 1 5 6 7 plus A dash, transpose of the matrix A. First row becomes first column, second row becomes second column. Therefore the matrix P is equals to 1 plus 1 2, 5 plus 6 11, 6 plus 5 11, 7 plus 7 14. Now to prove P is symmetric, we need to find the transpose of the matrix P. So therefore P dash is equals to, first row becomes first column, second row becomes second column. So you may observe here this matrix P dash is equal to P matrix because corresponding elements of both the matrices are equal. 2, 2, 11, 11, 11, 11, 14, 14. Therefore this is equals to P matrix. Hence this matrix P and hence matrix A plus A dash is what? Symmetric matrix. And now the second question. So in this second question we need to prove that A minus A dash is skew symmetric matrix. So let Q is equals to A minus A dash matrix. So to prove A minus A dash matrix, we just prove Q is a symmetric, then obviously A minus A dash is a skew symmetric matrix. So therefore Q is equals to, matrix A is given by 1, 5, 6, 7 minus A dash matrix. First row becomes first column, second row becomes second column. Therefore the matrix Q is equals to 1 minus 1, 0, 5 minus 6, minus 1, 6 minus 5, 1, 7 minus 7, 0. Now to prove this Q is a skew symmetric matrix, we need to find the transpose of the Q matrix. Therefore Q dash is equals to, first row becomes first column, 0, minus 1, and second row becomes second column, 1, 0. Now you may observe here, if I multiply minus 1 with this Q matrix, minus 1 into 0, 0, minus 1 into minus 1, minus into minus plus, 1 into 1, 1, so plus 1, minus 1 into plus 1, minus 1, minus 1 into 0, 0. Therefore this Q dash matrix is equals to what? Minus of Q matrix. If Q dash is equals to minus Q, then Q is one of the skew symmetric matrix. So hence matrix Q and hence the matrix A minus A dash is skew symmetric matrix. I hope all of you understood. If possible, take a note. Now the ninth question. Here he has given that the matrix A, and we need to find 1 by 2 into A plus A dash as well as 1 by 2 into A minus A dash matrix. So let's start the solution. First, let us define P is equals to 1 by 2 into A plus A dash matrix. So therefore P matrix is equals to 1 by 2 into matrix A is given by 0 A B minus A 0 C minus B minus C and 0 plus matrix A dash is given by first row becomes first column 0 A B, second row becomes second column minus A 0 C, third row becomes third column minus B minus C and 0. Therefore required P matrix is equals to 1 by 2 into 0 plus 0 0, A minus A 0, B minus B 0, minus A plus A 0, 0 plus 0 0, C minus C 0, minus B plus B 0, minus C plus C 0, 0 plus 0 0. Therefore matrix P is equals to 1 by 2 into 0 0, 1 by 2 into 0 0, 1 by 2 into 0 0. Similarly 0 0 0, 0 0 0. Therefore required 1 by 2 into A plus A dash is a 0 matrix. And now the second one, let us define Q is equals to 1 by 2 into A minus A dash matrix. So therefore Q matrix is equals to 1 by 2 into matrix A is given by 0 AB 0 A B minus A 0 C minus A 0 C minus B minus C and 0 minus matrix A dash, first row becomes first column 0 A B, second row becomes second column minus A 0 C 0 C, third row becomes third column minus B minus C and 0. Therefore required Q matrix is equals to 1 by 2 into 0 minus 0 0, A minus into minus A minus minus A as it is, minus into minus plus A, so A plus A is 2A, B minus into minus plus, so B plus B is 2B, minus A minus A minus A minus A minus A minus A is minus 2A, 0 minus 0 0, C minus into minus plus, so C plus C is 2C, minus B minus 2B, minus C minus 2C, 0 minus 0 0. Therefore Q matrix is equals to 1 by 2 into 0 0, 1 by 2 into 2A, 1 by 2 into 2A, 2 and 2 get cancelled, A, 1 by 2 into 2B, 2 get cancelled, B, 1 by 2 into minus 2A, 2 and 2 get cancelled, minus A, 1 by 2 into 0 0, 1 by 2 into 2C, 2 get cancelled, C, 1 by 2 into minus 2B, 2 get cancelled, minus B, and 1 by 2 into minus 2C, 2 get cancelled, minus C, 1 by 2 into 0 is 0. Therefore This is the required 1 by 2 into A minus A dash matrix. I hope all of you understood. If possible, take a note. Before going to the question number 10, we need to study two theorems. So among that, first theorem. The statement of this first theorem is, for any square matrix A, for any square matrix A with real entries, means real numbers, real entries, A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix. And A minus A dash is a skew symmetric matrix. So what is the statement? For any square matrix A with real entries, A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix and A minus A dash is a skew symmetric matrix. So this theorem is very most important for your examination, and this theorem is asked for so many times for 3 marks. So in this theorem, for any square matrix A, we need to prove A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix and A minus A dash is a skew symmetric matrix. So first, to prove A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix, let us consider P is equals to A plus A dash. We know that for any square matrix P is said to be a symmetric matrix if P dash is equals to P matrix. Hence, to prove A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix, we need to prove P dash is equals to P matrix. So for that, taking transpose on both sides, P dash is equals to A plus A dash whole dash. Now by using the properties of transpose of a matrix, that is what, A plus B whole dash is equals to A dash plus B dash. So when we are discussing the transpose of a matrix, I already discussed the properties of transpose of a matrix. Among that, A plus B whole dash is equals to A dash plus B dash. So by using this property, P dash is equals to A dash plus B dash. B is what? A dash. It means A dash whole dash. Again, by using the property of transpose of a matrix, that is what, A dash whole dash is equals to A matrix. Hence, P dash is equals to A dash plus A. Therefore, P dash is equals to A dash plus A can be written as A plus A dash ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. Therefore, P dash is equals to A plus A dash ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿವಿ? P. So in place of A plus A dash, P. So hence we prove that P dash is equals to P. Therefore, P is equals to A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix. I hope all of you understand it. Now, the second part of the theorem. we need to prove A minus A dash is a skew symmetric matrix. So for that, let us define Q is equals to A minus A dash. We know that any square matrix Q is said to be a skew symmetric matrix if Q dash is equals to minus Q. Therefore, we need to prove Q dash is equals to minus Q to prove A minus A dash is a skew symmetric matrix. So for that, taking transpose on both sides, Q dash is equals to A minus A dash whole dash. Now by using the property of transpose of a matrix, that is what A minus B whole dash is equals to A dash minus B dash. Therefore, Q dash is equals to A dash minus B dash means B andre another A dash. So A dash whole dash. Therefore, Q dash is equals to A dash minus A dash whole dash is equals to A matrix. Hence, Q dash is equals to, if I take minus as a common here, minus of minus A becomes plus A dash becomes minus A dash. Therefore, Q dash is equals to minus A minus A dash and then defined by Q. So Q. Hence, Q dash is equals to minus Q. Therefore, Q is equals to A minus A dash is a skew symmetric matrix. I hope all of you understood. If possible, take a note. Now the theorem number 2 and the statement of this second theorem is any square matrix A, any square matrix A can be expressed as sum of symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. What is the statement of this theorem? Any square matrix A can be expressed as sum of symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix. So this theorem is not going to ask in your annual examination, but the problems based on this theorem will ask in your annual examination for 3 marks. So problems nu solve ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ in the question number 10, exercise 3.3. So for that I am going to discuss this theorem before solving the question number 10. So like the proof of this theorem is, here we need to express the square matrix A as the sum of symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix. So for that, let matrix A is equals to P plus Q matrices, where P is a symmetric matrix and Q is a skew symmetric matrix, where P is a symmetric matrix Therefore, from the definition of symmetric matrix, P dash is equals to P and Q is a skew symmetric matrix. Therefore, from the definition of skew symmetric matrix, Q dash is equals to minus Q. So this A is equals to P plus Q matrix. Call it as equation number 1. And the transpose of the matrix A, that is A dash, is equals to P dash plus Q dash. Now, by using these two relations, A dash is equals to P dash is equals to P and Q dash is equals to minus Q. Therefore, minus into plus minus Q, and call this as equation number 2. So here A is expressed as sum of symmetric matrix P and skew symmetric matrix Q. Hence, we need to find the matrix P and matrix Q. So here equation 1 and equation 2 involving with the matrix P and Q. So to find the matrix P and Q, we need to solve equation 1 and equation 2. So for that, add equation 1 and equation 2. Why? Because if I add equation 1 and equation 2, Q minus Q get cancelled. Directly we get the matrix P. So what is the next step? Equation 1 plus equation 2. Equation 1 implies A is equals to P plus Q, and equation 2 implies A dash is equals to P minus Q. So plus Q minus Q get cancelled. A plus A dash, A plus A dash is equals to P plus P is equals to 2P. Therefore, required matrix P is equals to, shift this 2 towards the left hand side, it becomes 1 by 2 into A plus A dash. Therefore, required matrix P is 1 by 2 into A plus A dash matrix. And now, for the matrix Q, subtract equation 2 from equation 1. So what is the next step? Equation 1 minus equation 2 implies. So equation 1, A is equals to P plus Q, and equation 2, A dash is equals to P minus Q. So we are subtracting here. Therefore, plus A dash becomes minus A dash, plus P becomes minus P, and minus Q becomes plus Q. So P minus P get cancelled. A minus A dash, A minus A dash is equals to Q plus Q, 2Q. Therefore, required matrix Q is equals to, shift this 2 towards the left hand side, it becomes 1 by 2 into A minus A dash. Therefore, equation 1 implies A is equals to, P matrix is 1 by 2 into A plus A dash. 1 by 2 into A plus A dash. Plus matrix Q is 1 by 2 into A minus A dash. 1 by 2 into A minus A dash. So this is the formula to express a square matrix A as the sum of symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix. If suppose matrix B ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Matrix B is equals to 1 by 2 times of B plus B dash plus 1 by 2 into B minus B dash. And similarly for the matrix C ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? C matrix is equals to 1 by 2 into C plus C dash plus 1 by 2 into c minus c dash. I hope all of you understood. If possible, take a note.